So here see that theorem. What is the theorem? If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. Just now only we discussed, but in the form of a proof, just to say that why those two angles are equal, how those two are equal. Okay, already by using angles we proved that, but here once say that theorem. So here, what is that condition they given? Here in that theorem only they given that given lines are parallel, right? So here L is parallel to M and N is a transversal. L is parallel to M and N is a transversal. Okay, so here once observe that here angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Yes or no? From the diagram we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Why? Because those two are vertically opposite angles. So this is the first condition. What is, by using which condition those two are equal? By vertically opposite angles. Okay, and here and in the same way angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So this is that second condition. Here why? Because angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Because angle 1 and angle 5, those two are corresponding angles, and we know that if the given lines are parallel, then we can say that corresponding angles are equal, no? So by using that condition here, what is that? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, so from 1 and 2 conditions, from the conditions 1 and 2, what we can say here? Angle 1 is equals to angle 3, and in the same way angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So by using these two conditions, shall we write like this? Angle 1 is equals to angle 3, that is the first condition, and angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Why? Because angle 1 is equals to angle 3. For example, angle 1 is equals to 75 degrees, then angle 3 also 75 degrees only, no? And in the same way angle 1 is equals to 75, so angle 5 is also equals to 75 degrees only, no? So we can say that angle 3 is equals to angle 5 also, no, from that one. Okay, why? Because these three angles also having the same angle. What is that? 75 degrees. Example, I am saying 75 degrees. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 5. That condition came from that these two conditions. Okay, so from this condition we can write that therefore angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Okay, from this condition I written here angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Okay, just observe this one here, angle 3 and angle 5. Those two are which type of angles here? Those two are alternate interior angles. Yes or no? So by using this condition here we got that angle 3 is equals to angle 5. So this is proving that these two angles are equal. Which two angles are equal? Angle 3 and angle 5 equal. So what is the name of that angle 3 and angle 5? That pair is having the name alternate interior angles. So hence it is proved or not? Okay, so hence it is proved. So like this only you can take that any other pair and you can prove for that any other. Okay, you can prove for that alternate interior angles, and in the same way alternate exterior angles also we can prove that. Okay, by using these two conditions, or you can take that any other conditions. Okay, like these conditions, by using these two conditions we can say that alternate interior angles are equal, and in the same way each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay, so this is the proof for that. Okay, once observe that converse statement. What is that? Here, if each pair of alternate interior angles or each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal, okay, then the given lines are parallel. I told you that in that question, they directly if they given that given lines are parallel, then directly we can say that alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, but here in that given question, they are not saying that any condition given lines are parallel or given lines are intersecting. They didn't give anything, just they given that some angles. So by using that angles, is it possible to say that given lines are parallel or not? Yes, we can say that. Okay, if that given angles are equal, given each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, or each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal, then we can say that given lines are parallel. Okay, so this statement and converse, those two also true only, which means those two also follows here. If that angles given, so by saying that angles, if that each pair of alternate angles are equal, then we can say that given lines are parallel. Or if the given lines are parallel, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. Okay, so those two also true here. So once see this statement here, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of co-interior angles or co-exterior angles, okay, co-interior and co-exterior angles we also call it as allied angles, no? So each pair of co-interior angles or each pair of co-exterior angles forms a supplementary angle. So forms a supplementary angle means its sum should be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, when it is possible, if the given lines are parallel, okay, then only the sum of each pair of co-interior angles or each pair of co-exterior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, once say that it is true or not, just see the proof. So in that condition, what they given? From that figure we can write that here L is parallel to M and N is a transversal. And N is a transversal. Okay, here L is parallel to M and N is a transversal. So from this one here we can say that angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, angle 3 and angle 4. Once observe that angle 3 and angle 4, those two are adjacent angles and those two forms a linear pair. Okay, those two forms linear pair means its sum must be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, why? Because those two forms here linear pair. Okay, so this is that condition number 1. Next, once observe that angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Why? Because angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Already we proved that condition. What is that? If the given lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. So here angle 3 and angle 5 alternate interior angles only, no? So alternate interior angles are equal. So those two are alternate interior angles. Is it clear? So from that 1 and 2 conditions, from 1 and 2 conditions we can say that, okay, what we can say here, just angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees and here angle 3 is equals to angle 5. So we can substitute that angle 3 with angle 5. We can replace those two angles here. Yes, obviously. Why? Because angle 3 is equals to how much angle it measures? The same angle is measured by angle 5 also. Okay, why? Because those two are alternate interior angles. So from this condition we can say that angle 5 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because angle 3 is equals to angle 5. By using that condition we can say that angle 5 plus angle 4. Okay, written in proper manner. angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degrees. Once observe that angle 4 and angle 5, which type of angles here? Angle 4 and angle 5 lies the same side of a transversal, yes, and angle 4 and angle 5, those two are non-adjacent angles, yes, and those two angles are interior angles. So which steps I told? Those all steps are related to which type of angles? Yes, co-interior angles. So angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angles or not? Yes. So angle 5 and angle 4, those two are co-interior angles. So according to that theorem statement, what they are saying, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of co-interior angles or co-exterior angles forms supplementary. So angle 4 plus angle 5, that is one of the pair of co-interior angles. So its sum forms 180 degrees or not? Okay, so it is one of that pair, for its sum equals to 180 degrees, no? So hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. So like this way we can prove that remaining three pairs also. Okay, how many co-interior angles pairs will be formed here? Two pairs of co-interior angles. And how many pairs of co-exterior? Two pairs of co-exterior angles will be formed. From that figure we are saying. Okay, if the three lines there means the number will be changed, right? Okay, so this is that proof for that if that given lines are parallel, then co-interior angles or co-exterior angles, okay, those two forms here is supplementary. Okay, is it clear? And come to that, it's a converse statement. What is that converse statement?